Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Angel. Today I'll be showing you how I did this look. I still have an ongoing giveaway here on my YouTube channel and I'll just link the video on the description box down below. Alright, let's get ready with me using mostly products from Chicspot.PH. Let's get our hair out of the way using this creaseless clip. I love this clip, you guys. I've been looking for this for quite some time now. Of course, everything that I'm using here will be on the description box as well. And then I'll just prep my lips using this Papaw ointment. This is good for chapped lips. To prep my face, I'll use this Pond's White Beauty Serum Burst Cream. This is rich with hyaluronic acid for deep hydration and nourishment. It also delivers 10 times skin brightening effect. And it's Pond's first cream to serum formula that can give you that dewy finish. When you prep your skin, don't forget your neck and the back of your neck. For brows, I'll use the brow pomade and brow soap from Chicspot.PH. To define my brows, I carve it out using a concealer. You can use any concealer that you have. What I'm using here is the Saem Mineralizing Serum Concealer in the shade 1.5. I love this concealer because it does not dry my skin and it has a liquid consistency that it blends well. It's very moisturizing to the skin and it contains SPF 30. For my eyelids, I'll use Chicspot Creamy Blusher. This is in the shade Flora and this product lives up to its name because it's very creamy, pigmented, and blendable. I'm really careful in picking out cream products because there are those products that are really hard to blend. I like this creamy blusher because we don't have to tug our skin just to get a color payoff. A little goes a long way, and we're also saving ourselves of premature wrinkles because of its cream consistency. Alright, so as you can see, I'm just using the creamy blusher all over my lids. If you're a beginner in makeup, you can definitely use this technique, especially nowadays that we're wearing masks, we can put more effort on our eyes. To add a little oomph on the eye look, I'll use their Glowlighter in the shade Star. This is a cream highlighter with a pink shade and it's one of the products that I really love from their brand because it's very affordable, it's so glowy to the skin, and it's not chunky. I am putting the highlighter from the inner corner onto the middle part of my lid. I added a bit more highlighter because I wanted more shine on my eyelids. And then we'll put the same color of creamy blusher on our lower lash line. Don't worry if it's a bit messy, guys, we can clean it out later. This is why I prefer doing my eye look first before putting foundation. For my eyeliner, I'll be using Clissora's Get Winged Liner. This includes two eyeliners inside the box, which is for the left and right. I am still getting used to this eyeliner, so I'm just skipping the other eye to save some time. Then I'll use this Bilena black liner to tightline my eyes. This gives an illusion that we have thick full lashes. Next, I'll curl my lashes using this Nichido eyelash curler. For mascara, I'll use this Heroine Make Mascara. If you guys want long-lasting, waterproof mascara, this one is for you. For my lashes, I'll be using CiliosMNL in Ray. As you can see guys, even if you have a simple eye look, you can take it to the next level with a nice pair of lashes. For foundation, I'll be using this L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. I'm in the shade Radiant Beige, and I super duper love this foundation because it's lightweight, so it allows your skin to breathe. It's also non-comedogenic, so it doesn't clog our pores, and it has SPF. Look at how it covers my blemishes and the red marks on my face. This foundation is medium to full coverage. It really depends on you on what you prefer. I personally love medium coverage. Then we'll put the same concealer that we used earlier to carve out our brows. It's the Saem Mineralizing Serum Concealer in the shade 1.5. We'll put it on our under eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, and chin, basically to all the areas where I want to appear lighter than the rest of my face. And all you have to do is blend, blend, blend. Really take your time in blending because it is the key to a flawless finish. By the way, the sponge that I'm using here is Anakai's Airblender sponge. I reach out to this product more than the Beauty Blender because it's light and extra fluffy, it's very soft to the skin, and I like its flat angled side so I can reach out to the crevices of my face. And then I'll dust my face with the Maybelline SuperStay 24-Hour Full Coverage Powder Foundation. This is in the shade 220 Natural Beige. Don't forget to tap the excess after you get the product so your face won't get cakey. For bronzer, I'll use this Benefit Hoola bronzer. I got this mini size, but this took me so long guys to use this product. I just hit pan on this and I got this for over a year now. So a good dupe for this is the Vice Cosmetics in the shade For Sure, which is only 150 pesos, and that's such a steal. Alright, so I'm just bronzing up my cheeks here and my temple. And then down here on the neck to hide my quarantine double chin. No, triple chin na to guys. Triple chin. Same bronzer for my nose contour. I have a love-hate relationship with my nose contour guys. Sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. So yeah, I need more practice with this. And then I used my bronzer to add more brownish shade on my under eye. Then using Glowlighter in the shade Star, I'll put it on my tear duct to the middle part of my lower lash line and also to my brow bone. For my blush, of course, it's gonna be the creamy blusher in the shade Flora because I wanted to have a monochromatic look. I'm using my ring finger here and I'm doing a tapping motion because a little goes a long way with this product since it's very pigmented. Look at how good that looks on the cheeks. It has that peachy, fresh vibe to it. And again, using the same highlighter, I'll put it on my cheekbones to add a more dewy look. This is to give an illusion of a higher cheekbone and so that our face won't look flat because of the foundation and powder that we put on earlier. Lastly, we'll put on highlighter on the bridge of the nose. For my lips, I wanted to have a gradient look that would perfectly match my eyes and cheeks. I'll be using Mousse Tints, Luna, and Roxi from Chicspot. So that was Luna all over my lips, and I'll use Roxi on the inner part of my lips. She know time is money, fuck your time, she wants the cash instead. Tainted as they come, she ain't changing for no one. So damn quick to get involved, twice as quick to say you're done. She ain't too close with her pops, but her daddy does her right. I could have her if I like, I know her type. And she don't want your love, she just want the cream. You can keep your heart, she'll just keep the fancy things. So this is the final look, guys. If you want to join the giveaway, please check the description box below for the details. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. See you guys soon and take care. She don't want your love.